What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm showing you this insane Tanjiro 10th form skill, Constant Flux Dragon, made inside Roblox Studio. Check this out. The dragon effect circles around the player, builds up momentum, and then launches forward with that smooth water-breathing energy. I really wanted to capture the anime feeling with the motion, particles, camera shake, and the overall impact. The best part is that this entire demo was created using AI MCP tools together with scripting and Roblox Studio Workflow. I used Claude MCP, Cursor, Antigravity, Codex, and a few other AI tools during development. Honestly, I had to switch between multiple tools because I kept asking so many tasks and questions while building this effect. Some tools helped with scripting, some helped with VFX logic, some helped speed up debugging and animation flow. But if you already know exactly what you want to build, you might not even need that many tools. This demo combines several systems together: custom VFX, animation syncing, hit timing, water dragon movement, slash effects, and cinematic visuals. I also spent time tweaking the movement path of the dragon, so it feels more alive and dynamic instead of just moving in a straight line. The goal here was to make the skill feel powerful, while still keeping that clean anime style look. And this is only the demo. In the next tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make this skill step by step inside Roblox Studio. We'll go through the effects, scripting, animations, and how to structure everything properly. So if you want to learn how to create anime skills like this for your own game, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Let me know in the comments what skill you want me to make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.